Trying to squeeze in some, you know, things here. Trying to get the oil changed in between my Zoom meetings. So I'm gonna pull the. There's the dipstick. There's the dipstick way back in there. Sure, I got the thing corked off on the oil pan collector. There we go. A little closer. And she's just about loose. Yep, there we go. Ooh, that's black. Needs to get changed. I like this one too a lot better than the strap tool. This one's better. Because I can ratchet and I can do this and I can loosen it up and these little fingers grip it, which is kind of nice without getting crazy. See, you see it's already leaking oil all over the place, down my hands and everything else. This is the messy part of it. Put it in a couple of plastic bags and a paper bag, put it in the garbage. Now I gotta go in my garage here and see if I can find the quarts of oil and the new oil filter, and we're gonna write the new date and the mileage. Be right back. Okay, oil change. You can notice I have 5 quarts, and I have 2 more quarts, and I got the filter, the ultra synthetic XG5, and just to make sure, 7 quarts with the filter, engine code W, because that's what we've got. Go and get the oil put in here. Let's start her up. See how she does.